Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap. Today is Friday, 11 p.m. Week ended, so let's get started. The week started here on the 20th November. So this is the first trade, Euro Yen from 7-minute chart to the downside. Sell order is here. All the trades you will see according to the setup, nothing random. Everything has to be by the setup, either from 7-minute chart or 20-minute chart. So this is the first one for 75 pip to the downside, same time, same day. Pound yen shorted, so order here, 110 pip to the downside. This is the entry by the book. Right now, CAD yen also went down from here, 95 pip. This one, pound Aussie, short setup here, short trade, 485 pip on the 20th, right? And on the 21st, well, there was pound, and then this is on the 20th, Aussie USD. This went up for 75 pip. Now on the 21st, pound CAD, 75 pip, buy orders right there. And pound yen dropped 65 pip on the 21st, sell orders right there. Now pound yen make the turn, and I'll show you later on at the end of the video, and I'll show you the chart, the yen index chart, that how that index turned to the upside, and all pound yen pairs started to go to the upside. So here, this is a long 45 pip, and this is a 22nd pound yen again. This was the first one here somewhere, then second for 85 pip from here to there. USD yen again, it went up 85 pip, buy order like that. USD yen, again, second entry. This is the first one I just showed you. This is the second one for 80 pip again. Buy orders there. This is gold from 1985 to 2000. And on the 22nd, right? On the 23rd, pound yen again. This was the first one. This is the second one for 90 pip. And this is euro yen. See how so many yen pairs, yen trades, because of that yen index chart. I'll show you. And the 24th, on the 24th, 95 euro yen. And USD yen again, the third one for 45 pip, buy order. The first one, the second one, the third one on the 24th here. And this is pound USD, 65 pip to the long side. And again, yen index gave me this one, CAD yen to the upside for 50 pip. Now, why so many yen trades, and all of them are long? Every single pair was going long, right? Because of this chart, and I already predicted that this is yen index 33-minute chart that is going to bounce from here and go here, and it will do that. Then what will happen if stays above 69.18, which is this line, was touching that and bouncing? All yen pairs will go up. That's the reason. All yen pairs are supposed to be going up. So they all went. And what happened to this chart? You can see as of today, it is here. Right? So this is the reason. So if you can watch, if you learn basically what goes behind the scene, and how to read, how to get these indexes charts, and how to read them. And if you can find just one, see this only one setup, right? That it is going to go from here to here, gave me more than 600 pip in yen pairs, yen trades in 1 week. That's how powerful it is. Similarly, I have indexes of all of them, like USD, Euro, Pound, Aussie dollar, CAD, everything. And then once I have a setup, like for example, USD, you have 7 pairs. If USD index moving in a direction, up or down, all those 7 pairs start to move. And then you have a multiple choice, multiple trades in your hand, which one you want to trade, which one you're not. It depends on the currency as well. But the idea is that if yen, for example, yen index, right, is going up, the idea is that yen is getting weaker. So what do you look for? You look for a strong currency against it, right? So pound was strong last week. So pound yen went flying. That's how it is. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you can go. And by the way, this chart I posted on, let me show you. I posted on my Forex Factory forum here. You see that? This one I posted on the November 21st, right? And saying that this is all yen pair will go now up. And if yen index bounced from 69.18, which it did exactly from there. Also, I posted on the Telegram here, right? There's the chart. And after that, I got this GJ and UJ short, long setups, which I took, and they are also here, right? So yeah, I posted on the Telegram, I posted on the this first actually forum as well, right? And this is where is it? My website went again, disappeared, right? Right. So okay, this is the website. You want to get the system, you can go to my website here, creativetradingsystem.com, and then you can sign up for either monthly subscription or yearly or 6 month or one-on-one coaching, whatever. So many different things, yeah, different options, right? So right now it's Friday. Today is Friday, and you have weekend. Saturday is Sunday. You can get the system, sign up, get the system, get files, and start to set up the charts. Any help, I will help you setting up the chart on your computer. My son will help through TeamViewer, and you take it from there. And from Monday, you start trading and learning, just like that. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys. This is it. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Where am I? Close. Not recording.